Hey everyone, today we will be using the right function to split the name into the first name and last name, but we are interested in printing only the last name here. So this can be done only using the right method. Yeah, I agree that we can also do it with flash fill, but let's try to use the right function. Now select right and the text, that is A2. Now the length of A2, select length of cell A2. This define function, find what, that is space, in which text, that is A2, how many number of spaces, 1, close the bracket, and now close the entire right function. Press enter and there you go. Now apply the same formula to all the cells and you have now splitted the right side, which is the last name, of all the names present in column number A. Thank you.